Welcome to the Need to Know for Confluence app. This app has been created as part of the Code Guys 2025 hackathon by Atlassian, and it solves a common issue. When people are working together on a sensitive project in Confluence on confidential Confluence pages, usually over time more people gain access, but they don't lose access anymore for different reasons. Their admins are busy or nobody knows they need to be removed and they have access for years. A Need to Know for Confluence solves this issue by keeping track of who's actually using information and who doesn't use information is removed automatically and has no access anymore. And we have about 4 minutes left in this video, and I'll show real quick how that works. So switch over to Confluence. We are in the AWR engineering space where Atlassian and Williams Racing are collaborating on confidential projects. And there is this aerodynamics package project. And this is a subtree of pages, and we need to apply the need to know principle here. And you do that by editing this page, and you add the need to know for Confluence macro. And this makes the current page a need to know portal that applies to this page and all descendant pages. And to set that up, you have to first specify a permission baseline. And you do that by restricting access to the page. And in this case, I'm adding 2 groups of users and 1 single user. Make the page restricted. And now the permission baseline is set. This is the initial set of users that has access to descendant pages. There also need to be 2 portal administrators. Those are able to configure the portal and also see usage information. And then you activate the portal. And now the portal is active. And what does that do? It will now check which direct children are there. And this is a trick the app does. So it will adopt those direct children and also change their page restrictions. So initially it's only restricted by the parent page, the access to those child pages. But now let's use the shortcut button the app has, update now. You can click that to speed things up. There are certain background tasks running like once every 5 minutes or once an hour, things are happening. But for the demo here, I'm clicking this, and now what the app does is it copies the restrictions from this portal page to the direct child pages. And now looking at the restrictions here, you'll see that all users got pulled out from the user groups, and we have now single user restrictions. And this is automatically managed by the app, and the app takes care of monitoring access of those users to portal content. And if they don't access content, they are simply removed from those restrictions. So that is the need to know principle in action, automatically applied here. And now let's do something crazy to actually see how that works. I'm going to lower the default inactivity period, that is by default 90 days. After 90 days, people lose access, to 5 minutes. And this is really low and only makes sense for a demo context here. And after doing that, let's refresh here. And you see this list of users currently have access, and there's color coding going on, showing you as a portal administrator how much time do they have left. And you see it's less than a day, but it's still they are still active. And now let's quickly switch to Jamie's account, and Jamie is going to access different pages here. So visiting. So Jamie is the only active user. And now this created some usage events, and I'm now clicking the Update Now button to speed things up, because also event aggregation, metrics calculation is done on a schedule. And now when going back here, you see all users except Jamie are kind of yellow, so they'll lose access in maybe 2 minutes or so, but Jamie was active, so Jamie won't be removed. And yeah, if you want to know more, there's also a link here to the quick start. There's a video available showing more details. Thank you.